carefully selected premium Vietnamese white clams. After multiple cleaning processes, quick frozen to preserve freshness. Thaw at room temperature. Put 5 ml oil into the pot. Add onion, ginger, garlic, and chili pepper. Put in the clams. Stir fry a little bit. Add soy sauce, oyster sauce, and cooking wine for the optimum taste. Then cover the pot and stew for 3 minutes. Add water with cornstarch. Put it on the plate and sprinkle with chopped green onions. The meat is thick, smooth, and delicious. It can also be matched with Thaw gourd soup, which is also delicious. Convenient and delicious. That's what Jack&King offers.